I think it's great. I think it's definitely like a good idea if you're like looking to get involved in the C++ industry to come, talk to the people, to meet everybody. You never know what can happen.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my session, What's New in C++ 23? So who am I? I'm a software architect, a project manager for Nikon Metrology based in Belgium. And I wrote a couple of books. The latest one is Professional C++ 5th edition, covering all what is new in C++ 20. I'm also the founder of the Belgian C++ users group, and I try to organize 3 to 4 events per year. And the next one is actually on 31st of October, and there are more than 100 people already registered for it. So let's have a look at the agenda for today. There's quite a lot. So I'll be giving an overview of all the new language and standard library features coming with C++ 23. Obviously, I will not be able to go into details on all of them, but that's not the goal of this session. The goal of this session is to give you a high-level overview, and at least you will get like a couple of keywords out of it, and if something interests you, you can always find more information online. So if you look at C++ 20, that was really a big new standard. It included the big 4 features: modules, ranges, concepts, and coroutines. C++ 23 is smaller in scope, but as you can see on this slide, there are still a lot of interesting new features coming. Also, as you can see, I have a lot of material to go to, so please keep your questions for the end of the session. There are slide numbers in the lower right corner of the slide, so you can always refer to a specific slide at the end of the session. All right, so let's get started with the core language features. First one that I want to mention is explicit object parameters. So what is this? So everybody knows if you write a member function of a class, you have this pointer, which is implicit in every member function. You don't need to declare it, it's always there. So here I have a simple class cell with one member function, set value, and inside, if I would like to, I could write this arrow m value, for example. Using this is straightforward. I can create a cell, and then I can call set value on it. So how would you write this with an explicit object parameter? Well, the only thing you have to do is the first parameter to your member function becomes something like this cell ref self. And then inside the body of your member function, you cannot use the this pointer anymore. There is no this pointer anymore. You have to use the reference that you have specified as the first parameter, in this case, self. So you write self.mValue. Using this is still the same. So just like before, in the lower left corner, you can just construct the cell as before, and you call this set value the same way as you call it before. So of course, you will never use this feature like this. This is just to introduce you the feature. So what can you do then with this feature? First thing is that you can write your ref-qualified member functions differently. So in the past, if you want to write a ref-qualified member function, you have to specify the ref qualification at the end of your signature. So here, for